تحية لكم اخوان، امسيه سعيده. تلاقيت مع واحد الدري هنا ديجا خدام مصور، كان ديجا صور لنا والمدام، مشى نسلم عليه هو الاول وديك الساعه نكملوا مع الفيديوهات. يلا وفي خدامه هو الاخ ديالنا، تحياتي ليه. وشفتو صافي غير سايت التصوير ديالي، مشيت عنده اكزاكتومون، ومن بعد لقيتهم واحد توريست جالسين كيضربوا وياه، كيهضروا على الكاميرا وكذا، وقلت صافي خدات منه الاذن انه نصوروا ونسولوا شي اسئله على اكادير ونسولوا على هاد البلاصه هادي الجرده ديال لابيل فيدير. Hello sir, what's your name by the way?
Brian.
Brian, nice to meet you. You can call me Moed.
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 Nice to meet you, Moed.
That's it. So my questions is, what do you think about exactly about this place here?
This place?
Yeah, this background.
It's relaxing.
Relaxing.
I like the green.
Yeah,
it contrasts with all the dryness.
Yeah.
It gives a little bit more. I like the nature. I like the nature.
Yeah, that's it. That's good. And is it your first time here in Agadir?
No, I came about just over 30 years ago.
Wow, 30
when I was
years
a young
ago.
man, yeah. But I can't
And
remember much.
You have some different here, or for example,
totally
like this one, it never have been before. They just made it.
Yeah, no, I didn't stay in. Last time I arrived in Agadir and went straight up the coast. I didn't stay. This time I'm just gonna chill out here.
All right. And do you know some words, some Moroccan words?
Shween.
Shwing.
Shween. Is that?
Shwia.
Shwia. Shwia.
Shwia. Okay. Shwia.
Wachi khobs.
Khobs. خويا شي خبز الله يحفظك. خبز. Okay, that's bread. That's good. That's the second word.
Oh, I can't remember much, man.
You need to make like to shake your head, like okay, come on, come on. I remember it.
Not much, not much. I learned.
Okay, that's at least 2 words. That's good. Most of the tourists, when I ask them like this, like, oh no, sorry, I don't know no words.
Wow.
All right. What do you think about the food here?
I love it.
The Moroccan food.
I'm vegetarian, so I love the tagine. And couscous with vegetables only.
Wow.
Yeah, so I had that.
Couscous. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Couscous. Again. Couscous. جيبوا لنا couscous ولا غنعوض.
And the soups.
The soup.
With
Which
lentils.
kind of soup?
It was lentil and beans.
And beans.
I had that in Tafraout. It's delicious.
Guys, I guess he's Moroccan. Yeah. Yeah, he's Moroccan. Yeah, because most of the tourists, they don't like beans and this. No. All right. What more? I would ask you, where would you like to go in Morocco exactly?
If I came back?
Yeah.
Probably the desert, the south into the desert, right? The deep desert.
Merzouga. No?
Yeah, maybe even more south.
More south.
Yeah.
Because I have been in the desert too.
Yeah.
I was working there like a soldier.
Oh right.
Yeah, I quit my job, of course, because it's a job really. You have no freedom, no anything, and I quit it, and I choose to make vlogs and to enjoy my life. That's it. You know. And what more? Okay.
Also the Rif Mountains. The Atlas Mountains.
The Atlas. Okay, I have been there too.
Well, Morocco has everything. It has desert, mountain, beach.
You can find anything you want here.
Yeah.
That's good. And before you told me that you want to try the Moroccan hammam.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's good
it would not be strange for you to try Moroccan hammam because we are Moroccans and it's normal for us. We never saw a tourist to be inside. Most of the tourists, when they ask for hammam, only sauna, only something traditional.
Well, it's good for your skin. It purifies you and it gets you ready for the day. So, why not?
Okay.
I mean, the Swedish have their saunas. You have your hammam. It's part of the culture. And it's good for the body. So why not?
Yeah, that's good. After the hammam, you feel so relaxed and so, really inside, like you have removed rocks on your back. Honestly, because that's how Moroccan hammam is.
Does it reduce stress?
Yeah, stress.
That's
and
what I need.
When you're inside the huts, because Moroccan hammam are split. Sometimes you can find 3 rooms, 4 rooms exactly. The first one is a little bit colder. The second a little bit warm. The third and the fourth, wow.
Really hot.
Yeah, you cannot even make your foot on the floor because most of the last rooms in hammam, they are close to the fire.
Right.
They are burning the woods there and everything. So
is there an order that you have to go in, like from cooler, hotter?
Yeah, that's it. The first room is colder. The second room, it depends on the design of the room. Sometimes you find them one by one, Sometimes here there is a room here, the second, the third here. They are split.
I think the Romans, they would go cold, hot, cold, hot. I mean, what do you do in Morocco? Do you change it back to cold again, or just go?
Yeah, it's most of the Moroccans, they are going first to the hot spot.
Yeah.
The room, really hot one.
To begin with.
Yeah, they begin with this because they are relaxing.
Yeah.
More it's really hot, more you sweat
and
so much.
Impurities come out.
Yeah, and all the bad skin, it's removed. And then they go to the one place. Then they start cleaning with this. It's called.
Yeah, they're like a rough flannel,
what's the Moroccan? شنو سميتو؟
What's the name?
What's the name? Come on. سميت هذاك الجيكس اللي كيحكوا به في الحمام.
ما عارف خويا.
لا صاحبي كلشي ما نسيت هذاك اللي كيحكوا به في الحمام اصاحبي. اش بالصابون البلدي؟ اش بالصابون؟ الجيكس سميتو اصاحبي. هذاك ديال فراك داك الفراك شنو كيقولوا ليه؟
فراك ما عارف.
We are even Moroccan. Oh my god. I'm so sorry, but I guess I will remember it after when I'm going to sleep. Oh, I remember the name. Okay.
I have one in my bag. Yeah. But I haven't used it. I want to use it.
Okay, it was really nice to talk to you. Kiss.
A kiss.
Yes.
That's his name.
Kiss. I won't forget kiss.
Kiss. So every time if you want to go to hammam or something, you will ask the person, hey, give me kiss. I want to go Moroccan hammam. Hey, hammam.
That's cool, man. Thanks.
As I said, it was really nice to talk to you and really nice to meet you. And I'm really happy that it seems you are a person who want to talk, and that's really good because I like it so much.
Yeah. Well,
most of the tourists, when you are talking, they are a little bit like snobby.
Snobby, yeah, it's a good word. Yeah, not snobby. Yeah.
Yeah, well, enjoy your evening.
Okay, man.
Happy to meet you.
Yeah, okay.
Enjoy your
next
holiday.
time. Cheers,
Inshallah.
man. Bye.
يلا بصحة وراحة.